Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Asyifa Putri Yuniarika, and now I want to tell my presentation about accelerating a safe and effective COVID-19 vaccine by World Health Organization or WHO. The availability of safe and effective vaccine for COVID-19 is well recognized as an additional tool to contribute to the control of the pandemic. At the same time, the challenges and effort needed to rapidly develop, evaluate, and produce this at scale are enormous. To increase the chances of success, we must test all candidate vaccines until they fail. WHO is working to ensure that all of them have chance of being tested at the initial stage of development. This is a major and extraordinary global research undertaking. WHO is facilitating collaboration and accelerate effort on a scale not seen before. It is confirming vital communications across the research community and beyond. Let's move to the 4 critical elements of WHO global R&D efforts in detail. The first element is harnessing a broad global coalition to develop and evaluate candidate vaccine as quickly and safely as possible. WHO is facilitating interaction between scientists, developers, and the funders to support coordination and provide common platform for working together. It has used its global mandate to rapidly convene 300 scientists, developers, and funders to increase the likelihood that one of more safe and effective vaccine will soon be available to all. Activities are being delivered at extremely high speed with many steps executed simultaneously. And the second element is mapping candidate vaccine and their progress access to the world. Over 120 vaccines have been proposed across the world, and WHO is tracking details in a landscape exercise on their type and progress. WHO is fostering regular open dialogue between researchers and vaccine developers to expedite the exchange of the scientific result, debate concert, propose rapid and robust method for vaccine evaluation. And the third element is defining the desired characteristic of safe and effective vaccine to combat the pandemic. To guide the effort of vaccine developers, WHO has drawn up a Global Target Product Profiles or TPPs for COVID-19. This document outlines the minimum and desired attributes of safe and effective vaccine. The TPPs cover 2 types of vaccine. The first, vaccine for the long-term protection of people at high risk of COVID-19, such as healthcare workers, and the 2 vaccine for use in response to outbreaks with rapid onset of the immunity. And the last element is coordinating clinical trial across the world to giving humanity the best chance of safe and effective vaccine for all. WHO is proposing to massively accelerate the evaluation of vaccine. An expert group has designed a large international randomized control clinical trial to enable the simultaneous evaluation of the benefit and risks of different vaccines at sites with sufficiently high rates of the disease. This will ensure a faster turnaround of the result. The result for the efficacy of each vaccine are expected within 3 to 6 months, and this evidence, combined with data safety, with informed decision about whether it can be used on a wider scale in this country or region where the vaccines are being tested. So, for the next step, once a safe and effective vaccine becomes available, it will be vital that it is accessible to everyone who needs it. World Health Organization will continue to work align R&D, fast-track regulatory approval, and manufacturing, so that our population in all countries can access a vaccine early as possible. So, that is my presentation. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!